Do you want to improve your social strategy? Start by improving what really matters, your content. Semrush Social Content Insights makes it super easy to get insightful reports that will teach you what content your audience truly engages with. First, let me show you how adding a simple tag to each post can give you tons of information to max out your social media impact. Then, I'll give you 3 really simple tagging ideas that will save you a lot of time and guesswork. Let's start by adding a tag to a new post on Social Poster. Even if you forget to do it, you can always add tags to published posts. Then, head to Social Content Insights. The first thing you'll see is a dashboard with a quick view of your content performance. Or if you go to Content Mix, you'll see what posts are more popular for your audience. You can filter content by social profile. You can also filter by post type to see what videos, images, or texts perform better. And finally, you can filter by tags. And this is where it gets interesting. So, what tags should you be adding to your posts? Well, here's a shortcut. I'll give you 3 simple tagging ideas that will save you some time when analyzing your content performance. The first idea is to make campaign tags. These will help you understand what content outperformed in a given campaign and to even compare different campaigns. The second idea is tagging by content purpose. What's your intention with each post? Do you want to sell a product? Just use a sale tag to understand what sells better. Want to increase engagement? Turn that into a tag and see what works. The third idea is to tag by content formats. Is your post an announcement of a new product or service? Is it another day at the office? Or perhaps it's a meme. Well, wouldn't you like to know which of those memes performed better this year? With content insights and proper tagging, understanding your audience and optimizing your content strategy has never been easier. So go give it a try. The next time you post with Semrush Social, go give it a tag. If you've already been adding tags to your posts, then pay a visit to Social Content Insights and start learning from your top content.